Tonight to track all of it as we head into a weekend, Ashley.
Thanks, Jack. Yeah, here's the latest on Tropical Storm Hannah. We had an update just about an hour ago, and it actually looks like the latest model suggesting this could intensify from a tropical storm into a very weak and brief Category 1 hurricane as it makes landfall near Corpus Christi sometime early Saturday afternoon. Right now, the pressure's dropped to 999 millibars. What that means for you is just basically that it's strengthening. The lowering of that pressure means the intensification of the storm. But because it has such a short geographic runway, I don't expect for this to become a major storm, but it is going to produce some soaking showers along the Texas coastline, 2 to 5 inches possible in most spots. Locally heavy, though, south of Corpus Christi towards Brownsville, maybe upwards of 8 to 10 inches possible. But you'll notice Alabama, we're way far away. We're staying dry. It looks like Hannah's not going to provide us much relief from the rain, but it will provide some increased surf along the coast. So if you do plan on heading beach-bound this weekend, be careful because there's likely going to be some red flag warnings, and rip current's going to be a big issue on the coast. All right, talking about Tropical Storm Gonzalo, we have another one to talk about, but it looks like this one's actually weakening. Now models have taken out the chance of this becoming a hurricane, actually weakening into a tropical depression by early next week. All right, a little closer to home, it's rainfall in Tuscaloosa, tracking that wet weather in West Alabama, dropping temperatures to 76 degrees in just the last 30 minutes. Winds now out of the south. Some very heavy rain is falling in West Alabama. As we look at our radar, we can see where this heavy rain is lining up from Carrollton along Highway 82 back towards Tuscaloosa, Vance, Coaling. This is lifting north. So Samantha, you're next, Carrollton, and then on the way up towards Fayette. So I expect West Alabama is really going to see the brunt of most of this wet weather right now. Northport seeing some very heavy rainfall. Try to stay off I-20 right now. We're getting reports of some very blinding rainfall from anywhere basically from Vance all the way west of Tuscaloosa. Birmingham's dry, not any rain hardly in East Alabama. A couple of light showers in southern Cherokee County. Temperatures right now upper 80s to our east, low 90s to our west again, with the exception of Tuscaloosa. Temperatures will fluctuate just a little bit in the 80s tonight with a little bit of cloud cover, holding in the 70s overnight tonight. And as we look ahead to the weekend, if you want to take the bike out, well, you may need to do it a little early in the day. A few scattered showers and storms likely both Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Temperatures this weekend in the low to mid 90s, a lot like we've seen the last several days. But we may get a little break from the heat next week as rain chances are going to start going back up. We might see a little bit more coverage of that wet weather towards the end of next week. And that's a look at your storm team 7-day forecast.